Blessing.
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 It was your birthday.
Blessing, good morning. Are you ready to open your gifts? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Blessing got this too.
Ooh, that is so nice, Blessing.
Yeah, with glasses.
Mm-hmm. You see that?
Blessing like this.
Ooh, Blessing.
He got another present there.
Oh, Blessing, look. You like this one? Little
Look,
pony.
he got this.
Yeah.
He got this.
She got a card?
Yes.
Mm.
I'm so glad. Blessing. Jojo, look at
Listen, look. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Yeah, Miss Rachel.
Blessing, look at Jojo made for you. He gave this to you for your birthday.
Thank you. Do you like Miss Rachel? Yeah.
Look at this.
Wow, Blessing, that's a pretty dress.
It's gonna be a
Oh, I think she really likes this one.
It's gonna be a princess.
This is the one, eh, Blessing? You don't know which one to choose?
Look, this one.
And look. Oh, so cute, Blessing. You got more outfits.
Look, Mom.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, more Miss Rachel. Blessing, look. More Miss Rachel.
Look.
Oh, that's a beautiful dress.
Rachel's are calling.
And
You heard of Miss Rachel. Look. Miss
more
Rachel.
outfits, Blessing. Oh, and a nice look at the hat. So cute.
It's for the beast time.
Let's see this one. Wow, Blessing, look. Blessing.
I play with Blessing with that.
Look, Blessing. Oh, you like that one? Yeah.
Oh, Mommy, look at this.
Oh, cups. Nice.
It's for eating.
Yeah, Blessing.
Blessing, look at this one. Who's gonna eat it?
Oh, you like this one too?
Yeah. I will feed her when it's dinner time.
Okay. And I think she has a tricycle in this one. To move that one out the way.
Mommy, look at this.
Ooh, Blessing, you got some nice pink Crocs. Let's see. You like this one, Blessing? Look, this is so cute. Yeah.
What are these? Mommy, look at this.
No, a nice outfit. Yeah, nice skirt.
Yeah, Blackie here.
Blessing, you got lots of outfits.
Look at this, Blessing.
Mm-hmm.
Jojo give it to you when it's
Nice.
your birthday. I got this.
Oh, yeah, I'm so happy today. I'm so happy. Yeah, down to today.
It's my phone number.
Bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum. Sticky, 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 sticky bubble gum. Oh, and you pull them, and you pull them, and you pull them away. Wow, shapes. What shape is that? Circle.
Mommy, look.
You're gonna put it in, Blessing? Put it in.
Let me see if it fits here.
Blessing, look. In. Okay, say in. Say in. In. Okay, say in. In.
Mommy, can you record her?
You got them on?
Okay.
They're on? Nice. They fit though. That's good.
This funny too much ratio.
Are you gonna put it on, Blessed?
No, he won't. Blessy got a car.
Yeah, good job, baby.
Mommy, he got a car too.
Yeah, nice. Blessing, look.
Blessy got
Yeah. You like that one, Blessing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
He's coming to you, Blessing. He's like, I can't wait. He's so cuddly.